Good evening mga Lodi, update ko lang kayo regarding sa BT PSR natin na mainit na pinag-uusapan ngayon para sa ating mga marino. Ito po yung mga nakita ko sa marina. Kung kayo po ang BT nyo with COP valid more than 2 years, kailangan po natin ng obtain ng certificate of completions for updating training on BT PSR o apply for COP during revalidation period to be filled 1 year bago mag-expire yung yung BT. You can continue using your current COP expiry, but you are required to carry out COP for updating training o BT PSR. Yun yung sa BT with COP. Pag ang BT nyo without COP tapos valid for 2 years pa, less than 2 years, kailangan natin kumuha ng refresher course on basic training. Pangalawa, yung updating training on basic training. So yun yung pangalawa. Pag yung BT nyo, yung basic training nyo without COP, kailangan natin na kumuha ng BT updating or revised BT, full course yun. Ang sabi nila 10 days yun, whichever is applicable. Pag yung BT nyo without COP expired, BT starting November 1, 2005 onwards, take revised BT full course 10 days yun. 10 days yun full course nyo. Yung separate schedule for November and December deployment, you may still board your vessel without the updated BT PSR as long as your current BT certificate is valid. Pwede po yun. December. Take the updated training after you disembark. So, kunin nyo na pababa nyo. November, December, kung may schedule kayo ng training, pwede nyo pa isang pa yun. Pero pag uwi nyo, next year, kailangan kumuha kayo bawis mapalit. Seafarers who are on board prior to the advisory, take updating training on BT PSR before your embarkation or prior applicable for your validation. So, yung BT PSR natin, kailangan na effective yun January 2026. Ang balita ko, ang price no nasa 1,000, between 1,200 to 1,400, depende sa training center na pag-enrollan nyo. I-check nyo na lang sa training center kung ano yung requirements nila, kasi influx ng student ngayon kasi lahat halos requirements to. So prior next year, kailangan complete na tayo sa requirements ng BT PSR. So check nyo na lang sa Maritime Training Center kung ano yung requirements nila doon. Sana nakatulong ko sa inyo. Magandang gabi mga kabarok.